students. I am Satish, Director of Chaitanya Bharati. I would like to give some suggestions, that last minute tips for JEE Mains exam. Within 10 days, how to complete the whole syllabus and what is your strategy need to be followed in 10 days. So that I am going to discuss. Here, JEE is aspirants, two types of activities you have to do. One is completion of the syllabus within 10 days. Another thing, you have to give the mark tests. Almost all the days you have to give one mark test. At the same time, you have to revise the portion also. The whole syllabus can be completed within 10 days with perfect strategy and perfect planning. How to complete it within 10 days? Very simple. Here, every day you spend 1.5 hours for each subject. You can complete 3 chapters at least. The preparation should be like this. You have to focus on the main points, that is formulas and the highlighted points. Highlighted points in the sense reasoning or some irregularities or some exceptional points. These are the main points you need to focus. If you see from last 5-6 years JEE Mains papers, mainly 80% of the questions they are focusing on the reasoning type or some irregularities or direct numerical based. So these only 80% of the questions covering. So your strategy should be like this. You should finish one chapter within half an hour. That is possible. But with a proper plan you have to complete it. Only formulas and highlighted points within 25 minutes you complete. Another 5 minutes, just you close the book and recollect the points. Those 5 minutes just you recollect the points. Then you come to know how many points you stored in your mind. And again next half an hour another chapter. Like this 25 minutes and 5 minutes recollecting the points. Another chapter half an hour. So like this every day 1.5 hours if you spend for each subject, you can complete 3 chapters in a day. Like that physics, chemistry and mathematics. This part if you complete in the morning part, so then afternoon session you can use it for mark test. Here you don't sit with the books for the long hours. That is not the right in this time. Just 1.5 hours for each subject you are spending, that is enough. But while you are taking rest, while you are doing some other activity, just you recollect the points whatever you read in that day. In the evening, you plan like this around 5 to 8 like that. Every day you plan for mark test. Mark test, it may be your institute is conducting or it may be NTA Abhyas paper. You can go for mark test every day, and after completion of that, whatever mistakes you did or whatever the questions you left, those questions just you revise. Just you go through the solutions. That's enough. So here every day like 3 chapters you are completing like that. If you go for 10 days you can complete 30 chapters. On an average in each subject there are 30 chapters, physics, chemistry and mathematics. Okay. So here after completion of one subject, better you give 1 hour gap for that. Before starting while starting the next subject, you take 1 hour gap. In this 1 hour what you have to do, just you recollect whatever you read that day and again start the next subject. Another 1.5 hours it will take. recollecting the points. So like this you can recollect the points of whole day. You can make an activity like this, but don't sit in front of the books the entire day. That is not the right way. So because entire day if you read, you will not get idea that how much you stored in your mind. So that is the strategy you need to follow. Within 10 days you can finish the syllabus as well as the 10 mark tests also you are going to give. So if you go like this after 10th day, so you will be very comfortable to give JEE Mains exam. So this strategy you follow, so definitely you will get success and you will reach to your goals. Thank you.